What's the difference between refer and prefer? Suppose if I ask you, you got this information from where? Suppose you have read any book. Okay, you have read any book and you got the all the information about that, and mostly I like that knowledge you have. So I'm gonna ask you, okay, it was a very useful for me. Where did you read this information? Please refer me that book's name so I can buy that book also, and I'll also read that book so I can have more familiar relation with that book. So please tell me or give me information about that books or shop's name so I can buy there. So refer means simply you are just going to give information about something to someone, to your friend, to your relatives, all those buddies who are very near to you. So okay, so refer means giving information about something. On other hand, you have prefer. This word is also very similar to refer and prefer. You will find the similar sound rhythm. Okay, so prefer means you are just telling your interest. Okay, uh, you are going to tell your interest, like what you like to do in your holidays, in your vacations, or suppose you are near to summer. Okay, so someone can ask you, what would you like to do in summer? So you can suggest them or give preferences to your friends that in summer, uh, each and every year I would like to go to Switzerland, such places where I can enjoy a lot, and also I can have peace of mind in with my family. Mostly I go to with my family to such places like Shimla, Switzerland, Uttarakhand, Iceland, such places where I can find ice and all the coldness and cool places such. So this is how we can give preferences. So this is a very simple difference between refer and prefer. I hope guys you got this.